Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club. And whew, what a week. What a week. We went from having the worst Christmas Eve day of trading ever when we saw the Dow lose over 600 points trading below 22,000 and the S&P 500 entered a bear market, to having the best post-day Christmas trading day ever when the Dow skyrocketed more than 1,000 points on Wednesday, its largest one-day point gain in its history. The S&P 500 was up over almost 5%, and the NASDAQ had its best day since March 23rd of 2009. And here we are. Looks like we're going to get a positive week for all three indexes after a 3-week losing streak. And right now we're looking at the S&P 500, currently standing with a chart analysis score -75, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still down for the S&P 500, but weakening a little bit with this week's gains. And as you can see, it's currently trading at 2,496.64 with a gain of a little over 3% on the week as it stands. Currently, the key level to watch would be 2,690. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Take a look at the dollar index real quick. Having a loss on the week right now, standing about 0.5%, with a chart analysis score -60. Currently trading at 96.40. Key level to watch for the dollar index will be 97.71. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the dollar index. Here we have the Dow Jones, currently with a chart analysis score -75, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still down for the Dow. Trading at 23,225.09, posting a 3.4% gain on the week. And our key level to watch would be 24,828.28. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Dow. NASDAQ, with a chart analysis score -75, currently trading at 6,607.78 on the day, posting a gain of a little over 4% at 4.3. And our key level to watch would be 7,197.29. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the NASDAQ. Crude oil continuing to come under pressure after posting a 11.8% loss last week, is relatively unchanged this week, currently trading at 45.35 with a chart analysis score -75. So overall the long-term trend is still down for crude oil. Key level to watch should be 44.42. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a short-term short position for crude oil. Gold making a second week of gains, currently trading at 1,280.60, gaining 1.7% on the week, with a chart analysis score +100 with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that overall the long-term trend is up for gold. Key level to watch would be 1,269.40. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for gold. And we'll back it out. We'll take a look at Bitcoin. Currently up about 7% on the day, but overall down about 3.8% on the week. However, we did get, we'll clear this chart up a little bit, we did get a new green weekly trade triangle telling us to exit the market into a sidelines position currently. Key level to watch will be 3,122.28. A move back below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend. Happy New Year, and we're looking forward to a successful 2019.